Understanding the exclamation mark. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we'll embark on a journey to explore the vibrant world of the exclamation mark. Often spotted, but not always understood, this punctuation mark holds the power to transform sentences and convey emotions effectively. Get ready to dive into the exciting nuances of the exclamation mark and amplify your writing skills. An exclamation mark is a punctuation symbol commonly used at the end of a sentence to express strong feelings or to indicate a high volume. It's like a signal flare, showing that the writer has a strong emotion, such as excitement, surprise, or command, about the sentence. It's more than just a dot with a stick. It's a tool that gives life to words. Strong emotions or reactions. Use an exclamation mark when you want to show excitement, surprise, anger, or any intense emotion. It's like raising your voice in writing. Example: congratulations on your new job. Commands or requests. It adds urgency or authority to commands or requests. It's like saying, I really mean it. Example: stop. Interjections. It pairs well with interjections, short words that express emotion. Example: wow, that's amazing. Overuse warning. Beware of overusing the exclamation mark. It's tempting but can make your writing seem childish or overly emotional. Use it sparingly to maintain its impact. Professional contexts. In professional or formal writing, it's best to use the exclamation mark judiciously. When in doubt, less is more. Did you know that the exclamation mark has a rich history and even its own day of celebration? It's celebrated on September 24th as National Punctuation Day in some countries. It's also called a bang in printer's slang. Thank you for joining us on this exclamation-packed journey. Remember, the exclamation mark is a powerful tool that, when used correctly, can add depth and emotion to your writing. Use it wisely, and your sentences will thank you. Until next time, keep exploring and expressing with punctuation.